Today we're making a delicious habanero salsa that's gonna add a little kick to your food.
Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. My name's Marlen. Happy Monday. I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any of the recipes. Now let's go ahead and get started with the salsa.
These are the ingredients that you need to make the salsa. You need 3 tomatoes, 3 habanero peppers, a piece of a white onion, a large garlic clove, and I'm going to be seasoning my salsa with 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. This is a chicken bouillon that I use. If you don't have it or can't find it, you can always season your salsa with salt to your liking. We're going to start by placing water in a pan and we're going to bring it to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, we're going to add all of our ingredients and we're going to boil them for about 10 to 12 minutes. We want the ingredients to be fully cooked and it takes anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is what the ingredients look like. They're all fully cooked. So now I'm going to turn off the heat and I'm going to let it rest for about 5 minutes. That way the ingredients are not too hot. You can make this salsa in a blender cup, in a blender, food processor, whatever you have on hand. I'm going to be placing all the ingredients in a blender cup. Now that I have all the ingredients in the blender cup, I'm going to add a little bit of the water where I boiled all the ingredients, about 1/4 of a cup, and then I'm going to be seasoning the salsa with 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. I absolutely love the flavor that the chicken bouillon gives the salsa, but if you can't find it or don't have it, you can always add salt. Salt is to your liking. I'm going to blend the ingredients for about 2 to 3 minutes. I want the salsa to be a smooth consistency. Once I'm done blending the salsa, this is what the salsa looks like. It's a smooth salsa. This salsa is absolutely delicious and it's gonna give your food a little kick. It's on the spicier side, so if you don't want your salsa to be too spicy, you can always add 2 habanero peppers instead of 3. If you don't eat salsas on a daily basis, what you can do is add a splash of white vinegar, and this is going to make your salsa last longer. It can last anywhere from about a week to a week and a half as long as it has the white vinegar and it's stored in the fridge. I highly recommend that you store your salsas in a glass container. It could be a container that has an airtight lid, or I like to store them in a mason jar. So once I have the salsa in the mason jar, I'm going to add about 1/2 tablespoon of the white vinegar. The amount of salsa that I had was a little bit less than 12 ounces. So about 12 ounces of salsa, I would add 1/2 tablespoon of white vinegar. And you want to make sure you close your mason jar well and give it a good shake just so you incorporate the vinegar with the rest of the salsa. And this is how I make habanero salsa. This salsa is absolutely delicious. It does have a kick to it, so if you don't want your salsa to be too spicy, remember to use less habanero peppers. This salsa goes well with pretty much any food, or you can enjoy it with just some chips. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.